We'll guide you through how to edit video in Wink. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to edit videos easily using Wink without complex tools. To begin this tutorial, open Wink on your mobile device. Once the app is open, click New Project to start creating a new video project where you will combine and edit multiple clips into one sequence. After that, choose multiple videos you want to use from your device, for example similar to the video, so you can work with the correct media files and arrange them properly. Then click Start to import the selected videos into the timeline and move to the main editing interface. Next, click the Edit menu to access the available editing tools that allow you to modify your video. From the available options, select the Edit feature so you can begin adjusting your video according to your needs and preferences. Now you can edit your video in Wink according to your needs by applying different features and enhancements. For example, click Animation to add animations that improve the visual flow of your clips and make the video more engaging. Choose an opening animation according to your needs, for example similar to the video, so the beginning of your video looks smooth and visually appealing. If needed, adjust the animation duration according to your preference so it matches the timing of your clips and creates a balanced transition. After that, click Apply to All if you want to apply the same opening animation to all clips in your project for consistency. Next, click Ending to open the ending animation options so you can customize how your video finishes. Choose an ending animation for the first clip to define the closing style of your video. If needed, adjust the animation duration again according to your needs so the ending feels natural and fits well with the overall timing of your video. Then click Apply to All if you want to apply the same ending animation to all clips. Once done, click the checkmark icon again to finalize the editing process and ensure that all changes are properly applied. Click the play button to preview the result and confirm that the animations and edits look smooth, consistent, and aligned with your expectations.